This is Deborah Harris bringing to you a cash flow lever tip about price. Now, price helps you to generate the revenue that comes into your business, and through your revenue you generate profits and also cash flow. So you really need to make sure that you nail what you're doing with your pricing strategies up front. So my tip for the day is to compare your product or service to something of less perceived value. This is particularly what they do in car manufacturing when they sell a car that has got a higher perceived value than just a general runabout car. So they talk about the luxury interiors and the points of difference that make your product stand out as being a more luxury product, because sometimes people are aiming at their luxury product market rather than trying to buy the cheapest product. So compare your product or service to something of less perceived value to make yours seem more valuable. This has been a price tip regarding cash flow levers.